So guys, Dogecoin is currently consolidating and trading sideways. After a very long bull run, we had to have a healthy consolidation and cool down period. But right now, people are so confused. What's going on? Normally, when there's a consolidation period where we're trading sideways, there is a massive breakout, and we just haven't seen that yet. So what's happening? These are questions I'm going to be answering in today's video. Are we headed up or down? I will be doing a technical analysis to determine where Dogecoin is headed, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and it's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I let you guys know when I'm buying at the dip, and then once we made at least 20 to 30% profits, I let you guys know that I'm selling so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. So congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smashing that bell, hit the like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. So guys, if you love Dogecoin and you think it's headed to the moon, smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. Guys, there's currently multiple fundamental catalysts in the works for Dogecoin, and they're going to affect Dogecoin in massive ways. They're coming up, and we will have these events within just 60 to 90 days. So you want to be in. You want to be in during these infancy stages and before these fundamental catalysts so you can rake in big profits. From just yesterday, the trading volume of Dogecoin is up 23%, simply because people know about the fundamental catalysts that are coming for Dogecoin and are going to make big moves, big plays, and you want to be in the game. And this daily Dogecoin news is what I cover on my channel. Dogecoin is currently at the number 6 for cryptocurrencies. However, with a $41 billion market cap, it is headed up, and we have a lot of growth to look forward to. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. So like I said, we're currently in a corrections phase. It is perfectly normal after a healthy bull run to have a corrections period where it retraces and gets back to its current value. This is where we're currently at, and this is why I recommend buying the dips. Right now may be a very good time to buy, but with my trade alerts, I watch it throughout the day, so I see a steep decline. The steep declines only exist for a very short period of time. That's when I get in. That's when I let you guys know I'm getting in so you guys can get in. That way there is a very short period of time before you see huge profits. When we have massive peaks like we've had, that's when the whales sell. That's when they put FUD, fear, and fake news into the marketplace to get people scared, to get the smaller retail investors scared. And when you have paper hands as a small retail investor, you let go. You don't want your money to go down to zero and you sell. But that's not what you should do. You should always have diamond hands because by holding cryptocurrencies, they will inevitably go up in the long run. With this massive volatility, it gives you the opportunity to get in at these lows and sell at the highs. And that's what the whales are experts at. You don't want to do what your emotions tell you. When you have FOMO and you see the price going up and you think you want to get in because it keeps going up and you don't think it's going to go down, but it always does. So you never want to get in when everybody's telling you to get in, but rather wait for my trade alert. That way you know when it's absolutely the perfect time to get in. And once they get the fake news out there and they get people scared to sell so that the price goes down, the whales get in once again. That way they can trick you. Once again, you don't want to fall for the whalish games. When news comes out that tells you Dogecoin is going to zero, that's how you know it's fake news. Fake news loves to tell you that Bitcoin's going up and Dogecoin is going down. But this is what the whales want. This is what the whales put out, and these are the whalish games. The little guy, the little investors that are brand new to the marketplace know better. You guys are learning, you guys are informed, and that's where you want to be. Dogecoin is currently at discount at 50% of its actual value, so it's definitely a very good investment. Also, if you don't yet have a platform to trade on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. After the fear is over with, it's going to turn to greed. People are going to get FOMO as they see the prices going up when we get closer to these fundamental catalysts and these Dogecoin events that are happening. With countries and institutions investing in Dogecoin and Bitcoin as we speak, they know this is the perfect time to get in. You don't want to see the price going up, having FOMO, having fear, having greed, and wishing you got in earlier. That's the biggest mistake that new investors make. When you wait for an announcement that Dogecoin is sky high, it's likely too late to see quick profits. And that's why you want to wait for my trade alerts. I believe within the next month, we will see the highest heights that you've seen Dogecoin at ever. While this correction is coming to an end, we are seeing more catalysts come out, and we are seeing a much greater hope for another strong bull run. Historically, when we look back throughout the year, June is normally a very bearish month for the stock market, so it's completely normal. So one of the fundamental catalysts, Robinhood is actually creating a cryptocurrency wallet. Guys, this is going to be massive. Guys, there's a lot of fear when it comes to Robinhood because they've had a history of not being able to sell when people want to sell at the high or being able to buy when it's at its low. That frustrates a lot of people, and people lose a lot of trust in Robinhood because of this. Dogecoin is currently the most popular cryptocurrency that is purchased on Robinhood. Now, I believe that when they come out with the wallets, a lot more people will start purchasing Dogecoin and using Dogecoin to purchase things in everyday life. Because of the ease of use to buy Dogecoin using Robinhood versus the other applications, I believe that people will flock to Robinhood, brand new users flocking to Robinhood, and other users going to Robinhood that have already been with Robinhood, now giving it another second chance. As more people get in buying Dogecoin, it's going to cause the price of Dogecoin to skyrocket. Now, in the middle of July, expect for Robinhood to come out with an IPO. Yes, they're going public so that you can actually purchase shares, stocks, and own part of Robinhood. This will inevitably offer massive publicity to Robinhood and in turn offering much more mass adoption to Dogecoin. The initial public offering will most likely be offered after they release their wallets. As long as they release these wallets before they release their IPO, likely they'll have so many investors with so much trust and so much confidence that it will go up that they will buy these stocks and shares, causing Robinhood's overall worth to go up in value. The CEO of Robinhood, Vlad, has confirmed that they will in fact release wallets for Robinhood to hold cryptocurrency. They've been working on this since March, diligently, so I know that they will make it perfect, and they are currently perfecting their wallets. Another fundamental catalyst coming up is the fact that Elon Musk is actually going to purchase a Shiba Inu, and that's exactly what he's getting from Japan. Yes, directly from Japan. Now, as you know, the Shiba Inu is literally the Doge. It is the meme, and it is the dog breed that represents Dogecoin. It is that cute little adorable dog that we see in all of the Doge memes. Elon Musk will inevitably post pictures and videos of his brand new dog, causing a mass amount of memes to be released and inevitably causing more mass adoption of Dogecoin. Whenever we're in a strong bull run and a bull run headed to the upside and we get a tweet from Elon Musk, it generally causes Dogecoin to jump 20 to 30%. Guys, that's massive, and you want to be in the game during that time. We also have a massive update coming to Ethereum to make it deflationary. Not only do we have these huge fundamental catalysts in the works for Dogecoin, but when Ethereum gets this brand new update, it is going to cause Ethereum to go up in value. And like I've said previously, when Ethereum and Bitcoin go up in value, it causes the whole crypto market to go up with it. We also have a huge update coming for Bitcoin, potentially opening up smart contracts for Bitcoin, causing the gas fees to be cheaper and overall more efficient. This will likely cause Elon Musk to allow you to buy Tesla using Bitcoin once again, causing Bitcoin price to skyrocket, possibly up to $70,000. So guys, looking at the charts yesterday, we went from 36 cents down to 30 cents, as you can see right here. We're now seeing a correlation with Bitcoin. As we see the Bitcoin charts go up, we see Dogecoin go up. And as we see Bitcoin go down, we see Dogecoin go down. Guys, I can see Bitcoin going up to $200,000. And if it does that, I can easily see, because of the correlation between Dogecoin and Bitcoin on its growth scale on the charts, I believe that it will hit $2 just by the end of the year very easily, and you want to be in Dogecoin when this happens. As you can see on the chart, we are still seeing our lows get higher. We see our low right here bottom out. We see again getting higher, getting higher, getting higher. This right here is a clear indication that we are still on our bull run. We will see more trading sideways until we get closer to these events and these fundamental catalysts. I don't believe that our lows will go lower. I believe that they will get higher. With El Salvador and so many other countries now accepting Bitcoin as their legal tender, the cryptocurrency train is not over with. So I believe by the end of this month, when futures contracts expire and we hit the first of next month, you will see massive green days, possibly for a week straight, especially if we're still trading sideways and consolidating towards the end of the month. This often causes 80% of the time a massive breakout to the upside. You will then have news coming out of Dogecoin going up in value in the beginning of next month, causing more FOMO, causing more greed, with a lot more people buying in. It wouldn't surprise me if we went to 50 to 60 cents within next month. Even all-time highs next month would not surprise me. And guys, if you haven't yet checked out my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and in the top pinned comment. That's where I give my buy and sell trade alerts. You don't want to miss those alerts, because as I watch the charts throughout the day, I see when we have a dip, a huge steep dip of at least 10%, so that I know it's going down to that dip for a very short amount of time. I let you guys know that I'm buying, so you can buy into that dip as well at a very low discounted price. That way, because of such a steep dip within a short amount of time, we will see massive profits just as we have already. I also offer portfolio building and a lot of other awesome benefits. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, ring that bell, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.